Proof for about 1.5 years now. Honestly, I wasn't sure what to expect, and I wasn't sure that I would really love it, but 1.5 years later, I am loving my Proof, and I determined that being strong is like my new favorite thing. I work in the food industry, so I decided to join mostly because, you know, I'm around yummy snacks all day long, and, you know, I like food, so gotta keep up at the gym to keep that off. And I completed my first half marathon this past February, which I never thought that I would ever do, ever. I'm not a runner, and I didn't, honestly, secretly, I didn't even train. I just went with my strength program, and I finished, so that was in the time allowed, so that was the key thing. And I started powerlifting. Like, I PR'd my deadlift at like 235 recently, and my bench press at like over 100, I think it was like 120 or something. So I never thought I'd be able to do that. But like I said, I never would have thought that this would have been something I would have enjoyed doing, but really it's kind of the thing I look forward to in the week. It gives me stress relief. It's almost better than therapy. It gives me, it's social, it's fun, and you walk away feeling just so powerful after a heavy workout. I've liked so many different things. It's just, I guess, meeting all the different people. I've at this point had 4 different trainers, and they've all been equally fantastic and so personable and so fun, so interested in your daily life, and the classes are just so fun and great. Have someone basically twist my arm behind my back and tell me you've got to do it, and when I did, I was like so scared that everybody would judge me too, and you know, everybody here is kind of just doing their own thing, and everybody's really encouraging. If you talk to them, they're really nice and encouraging, but you got to join Proof. It's the best. It's, yeah.